Welcome to this video. Today's topic, Naac Accreditation. It is lacking among higher educational institutions. The Naac very recently has published a report. On the basis of the report, it is learned that in India there are 695 universities and 36,000 colleges are functioning without accreditation from the Naac. The UGC also given certain data. On that basis there are 1,132 universities. Out of the 1,132 universities, only 400 universities alone have been accredited by the Naac. At the same time, out of the 45,000 colleges, only 9,000 colleges have alone been accredited. So it is understood that nearly 36,000 colleges and 695 universities have yet to get accreditation. Naac accreditation process is a lengthy process. It requires time, energy and resources. Three types of resources are required. Financial resources in order to invest in the infrastructure and faculty development. Human resources to be utilized for collecting and analyzing data and to undertake accreditation process. And technological resources required for data analysis. So, in India, what is the ground reality? Higher educational institutions are struggling to get accreditation from the Naac. Accreditation is not mandatory, but without Naac accreditation, higher education institutions cannot enjoy certain benefits. So it is absolutely essential and it is a must for all universities and higher educational institutions to get Naac accreditation. For what? To have wider autonomy and to have research funding so that that university or institution can find a place in the national and international ranking. So that alone will give you a continuous innovation and improvement on the part of the institution or university, which is required for self-study report and to improve the quality of education and to have their own systematic curricula. That is why Naac accreditation is a must. But what are the problems faced by the institutions and universities? Why it is lacking? The reasons are, or the problems are manifold. But four major problems are there on the part of the university as well as higher educational institutions. They are inadequate capacity. First problem faced by the institutions and the university. Inadequate institution means limited budget. Because of the limited budget, the university or institution cannot invest in the infrastructure and the faculty development. So as a result, that institution or university cannot have a continuous innovation and improvement. And at the same time, they are struggling to undertake data collection and data analysis for development. So inadequate capacity is the main problem. That is called financial constraint. Second one, inadequate resource. Inadequate resource here means manpower, technological resources. It is also lacking. Because of that, the Naac accreditation process becomes cumbersome, becomes too difficult. Third problem, lack of understanding about the Naac accreditation process. That is why the Naac has come forward to create awareness by conducting webinars, seminars, and doubt clarification sessions. So the university or educational institution at any time can have doubt clearing, can make use of a doubt clearing session, and they can attend the webinar or seminar in order to understand the real intricacies of the process, accreditation process. And the last problem is inadequate manpower in the administration. Because in most of the universities and colleges, the Naac work is undertaken only by the teachers. They shoulder the responsibility of doing the Naac research, Naac accreditation process. But Naac committee says that in addition to the involvement of teachers, administrators, experts should be appointed at the administrative level, and they should also assist in the Naac accreditation process. That is very, very important to overcome the problem. So, in order to get the accreditation problem very easily and quickly, university or education institutions should overcome these problems: inadequate capacity, inadequate resource, lack of understanding, and lack of manpower in the administration. Now the Naac is planning to grant accreditation to 11,000 institutions in the years to come. So the university or institution should make use of this, and they can have a quick accreditation by undertaking a strenuous effort. See you in the next video.